Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Robin, and today we're going to be revamping this old TV tray using Chalk Couture products. Now, if you're not familiar with Chalk Couture, they are a company that produces very high quality, high end silk screen transfers, not stencils. Now, what I did to begin was I cleaned my tray really good. I had to use some sandpaper in some spots, get out some rough spots, but that's okay because your girl likes it rustic. Then I chose my transfer. Now, as you can see, this came in one big sheet. These easily cut apart. You can mix and match from one transfer to another. But for this tray, I chose to use the spoon, the fork, and the word yum. And you can see the cut lines there on the transfer. The next thing you want to do after you've got your transfer trimmed apart is to peel the backing off. Then you will want to put the sticky side down onto our fuzzing cloth. That's fuzz, y'all. This just removes any of the kind of extra sticky from the back. If you were using these on a painted surface or something like that, this just helps to make sure that that paint doesn't get lifted. And I did just fuzz all three pieces. And there I'm measuring, about how far I want it. Now, I didn't get it exactly straight the way I wanted it, but that's okay because these transfers are very forgiving, and all you have to do is just lift it up and replace it like I'm doing here. Get out all the wrinkles, all the air bubbles. Now we're good to go. I have no idea what happened to the footage of me chalk painting the fork, but as you can see, I did use black paste. Now, this is something that I do want to mention right here. This is not chalk paint. This is specially formulated chalk paste. You cannot use paint with these transfers. Trust me, you don't want to go there. So what you want to do is you just want to dab it on a few little spots. Take your rubber squeegee, work it in. It's so easy. Anybody can do this, y'all. I'm not kidding. So here you can see on the word yum, I got a little bit too much paste. Hey, I'm guilty of using a little bit too much. That's all right, because you can take it off. Um, Sometimes if you use too much paste, you could get some bleed through, but that's not a big deal. So here we go. When you get ready to lift up, this is a good part. Lift up easy. You don't want to stretch it. Just lift it up, nice and easy, while the paste is wet. Very important. Don't let the paste get dry. Ta-da! And we have the word yum. Now I'm going to go ahead and get ready to apply the same black chalk paste that I used on my fork to my spoon, as you can see here. Now, if you've never heard of Chalk Couture before, now don't feel bad. I hadn't either till a few months ago. But trust me, once I tried it, I knew this was for me because these are amazing. Anyone can use these to create very high-end looks on old pieces of furniture. You can use them to make arts and crafts to give to family and friends, or like I do, to sell at craft shows. The opportunities are limitless with these transfers, and y'all, they have so many pretty colors. If you make a mistake with this, it's not a big deal. These are totally removable with water. If you make a mistake, just use a little bit of water and you can take care of it. Now here I go, and you're going to see I made a boo-boo. I got a little heavy-handed there with my black paste. You can see it right there where I just pointed to. So what I'm going to do to fix this since I could not find my paper towels in the room, I'm just going to take our detail tool that I have there in my hand and just a little bit of water. I did have a bottle of water in there. And just start taking that detail tool and going over the area where it bled over because I got heavy-handed. No big deal. This stuff is so easy to use. Matter of fact, if you did a project and you said, I just really don't like this, guess what? All you got to do is spray it down with water, wipe it off, and you can start again. To make it permanent, didn't get to that part, but to make it permanent, all you need to do is wait at least overnight, 12 hours, spray it with a coat of poly. There you go. Thanks y'all so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. I'm new here to YouTube. And I will catch y'all in the next one. Later.